In this video, we'll learn how to deposit crypto in Finassets. I'll be using a demo account for this walkthrough. If you'd like to explore using a demo account too, you can find the link in the description box below. Let's get started. First, from the dashboard, click on the Balance tab. Here you'll see a list of available currencies, along with their deposited balance. These balances are shown in both US dollars and in their respective cryptocurrencies. To make a deposit in any cryptocurrency, simply click the Deposit button next to that specific currency. A new section will open showing three main details: the total amount you already have in that currency, the destination address, and the destination legacy address. To deposit, copy the destination address provided here. Then, go to your external wallet and send your crypto to this address. Once the transaction is complete, the amount will automatically reflect in your Finassets account.
And that's it for this tutorial. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Don't forget to follow us.